In the previous episode, we were exploring the Kodaji Temple, but it is time to move on to the evening photography. Welcome to the Gaion District here in Kyoto, Japan. I'm on a mission. I am wandering the streets looking for a pagoda to photograph and dinner. Oh, food. That's food, not. Alright, so I think we're going to come back to this alley here later, do a nighttime long exposure of this pagoda. We have found our pagoda, but hunger is our driving force right now. Alright, so we just ordered, what do we order again? Rice burger and a beer. This is going to be awesome. Local restaurants are the best way to experience a location. Good reason to remove your mask. Oh, that's good. That's good beer. I'll take it. So, rice burger. So yeah, the bone is made out of rice, that's for sure. Oh, cheese. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I can't even describe it. I seriously cannot describe the flavor. It's awesome. This is awesome. Alright, so for my patrons out there, I'm going to put the location of this place in the newsletter because I recommend this. This is absolutely freaking awesome, especially with the beer. Now that our bellies are full, we can get to the photography. But first, I would like to thank the support of all my viewers like R Gloves Books, Shivam, and Andrew Balcombe, whose channel, by the way, I enjoy. I would also appreciate your support by subscribing to this channel and clicking the notification bell. Also, leave me a comment or two and let me know what you think about this episode. Alright guys, I know it's a little hard for you guys to see me right now. It is the blue hour. We're in this, I think maybe like Dragon Alley or something like that. I don't know, but we're going to drop the tripod and we are going to try and capture some moody images here. The lights in the pagoda are coming on. We got a little bit of the blue hour to get the sky, so I'm going to put out the tripod and see what we can do here. Alright guys, so again, sorry you can't really see me too well, but back there is the pagoda. We got the blue hour going, so I'm doing some long exposures here. There are people in the street. This is going to blur them out, so you know, it gives a sensation of movement in the image, but you won't have to be seeing anybody in there. Instead, you're going to focus on the lights of the street, the storefronts, and of course that pagoda. Alright, this one, 25-second exposure. But again, it's going to streak out all the people in this image. We still have light from the blue hour, so we're going to get a nice background on this one. And as always, somebody jumps right in front of my lens while I'm shooting. I like this place. The geishas are not out this evening, which would have made for some interesting photography, but I cannot complain about the food or the location. For my expedition team on patreon.com/EWJ, I have another private photo shoot for you to enjoy from this site. I also want to give a special thanks to my friend Ben for being a cameraman and for continuously finding my small microphone after I keep dropping it. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Remember, hit that subscribe button. As always, please consider opening your hearts and your homes to a shelter animal, and if you can't, please donate to your local animal shelter. I'll see y'all tomorrow, or I should say in the next episode. Got something special planned for y'all.